Good morning. My name is Joe Cashwell with Rotocraft RC. Yeah, these beautiful designs just keep coming. I absolutely love our clients. Alan called me up and he goes, Joe, I know you're patriotic. I just love the flags in the background. We need to do a nice patriotic case. Man, I got excited right there. Now let's go take a look at the machining and how we got to this beautiful case right here. Yeah, that's a lot of work. So the eagle is 1/2-inch cast acrylic, and we CNC into the acrylic from the backside. So it's nice and smooth, real easy to clean from the front. It is very time consuming. We add water to get that polished look. We had 8 hours of machine time for that acrylic. Well, let's go ahead and power this thing up and see what she looks like. So what Alan's looking to charge is a medium-sized Lipo. We put in a couple of DX6s made by iCharger with the Meanwell 2000. He has mooch jacks, so he can run an external item off the internal power supply when he's plugged in the AC. If he wants to run the case off of a DC power source and you don't have AC available, then you can run this case off of a Lipo. There's a lot of new power packs out there now that you can use, so you don't have a generator running. You can run off of a solar charge station that has DC output. Run off of a marine battery if you want to. It's a very versatile case. It's very user friendly. Huge storage. It's just going to be a really good case. And then the bling. You can do red, white, or blue. Fat finger the button. It's green, whatever color you want, and then you, of course, you have the scroll wheel. We've been showing these LEDs in the last 4 or 5, 7, 8 builds now that we've done. It's a 5-pin RGB LED with a really nice RF controller. We're really happy with these lights. They're bright. This is actually turned down. We have settings to where we can go brighter and dimmer with them. And then we can do, as Jacob would go, oomph, oomph, oomph. I should get Jacob to do that. So I'd personally like to thank Alan for letting us build this and get a little carried away on the design. We really appreciate this. This is an uplifting case. When we're doing stuff like this, we just really get excited around here. Okay, maybe it's just me that gets excited around here, but it is what it is. Thank you, Rotorcraft RC, keeping you in charge. You know, sometimes I just feel like people don't realize how our country arrived where it's at right now. And you know, when you have people that are just still in love with her and just feel what we feel in this household, this business, you know, we appreciate it very much. It's we love it. We love these type of builds. We love adding the American flags. And when Alan wanted this eagle, I was just like, oh yeah, let's go. And it started off being a very simple eagle, and by the time it was over with, we made a lot of changes and just got everything to work out. And then again, he's got a couple other brands on here that he likes, but I'm partial to the eagle.
Man, that does look good.
Yeah, it does. Well, we definitely want to personally, does that even work right?